This is absolutely crazy. I've heard about this place, I have seen it in pictures, but I never came out like this to experience it myself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a green planet, a man-made indoor rainforest. Birds, trees, animals, and a big variety of plants. This is an indoor replica of the Amazon rainforest, and here you can find the slowest moving animal in the world and more than 3,000 plants and species. And the animals here feel just home and roam around the place just like they would in their natural habitat. What makes this place unusual is this huge artificial tree. In fact, it is the largest in the world and designed specifically to sustain life. Here there is rain, humidity, sunlight, and the temperature is regulated between 24 and 27 degrees, just like a real rainforest. In some parts of the world where rainforests are being destroyed and burned, remember that there is a small man-made rainforest that aims to preserve life on planet Earth and support the sustainable development of tropical forests.